This is a tap. It goes inside here, like this. And we tighten it up as hard as we can. And now we go to the nut. Now I'm going to re-thread the nut here. I will add some oil to it. And now we'll start creating the thread. A little bit tight at the start, and then we go back and we go forward again, so all the residue comes out. So now, as you can see, it goes through very easily. That means the thread is done. Just careful at the end not to ruin the thread at the top. So do it gently. There you go. This is the die set. You put this die inside here, but be careful on that little circle. It needs to go straight in like that. Now we tighten it using a screwdriver so it doesn't turn around. So now we put the die onto the screw like this. Don't forget about a bit of oil in. Start making the thread. So now it easily pulls off. Just be careful at the top, not to ruin the thread at the top. And as you can see, there's the new thread here, and there's the old ruined thread here.